Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to unpin message on Messenger. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your Messenger, and on the top chat you can see the pinned icon in the right side of the screen. So tap on that message until you will see the option of unpin, archive, unmute and many more. And you should have to tap on unpin icon like this. Now see, this message has been unpinned and it was swiped towards its original place, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.